guys, so if you saw my last video, it was showing you guys all my poppets, and today I'm showing you guys all my fidgets. So I'm just putting the last poppets back because I didn't put them all back yet. But yeah, okay. So today I'm going to show you guys all of my fidgets, every single one. So yeah, get this away. All right. So first, these are on the floor. So I just wanted to show you those first, yes. My baubles. I like doing this with them, but they actually are supposed to be like this. They're really dirty, but you can't see on the camera. And I have more, but I have, one of them popped. So I only have 3. I'm gonna clean them today later, so yeah. Ew. But yeah, so that's that. I'll just put my fidgets on the floor after. I'll just organize them later. But okay, next I have this fidget spinner. This video is gonna be long, by the way. Yeah. It's really good. It's like blue. I like it. Then this was a mini mesh ball, but I cut the mesh off because I just wanted like a plain squish ball. So yeah, and look guys, it's like isn't that cool? So yeah. Then tangles. I have this tangled. I have this tangled. I kind of opened whatever, tied whatever. Yeah, I love the colors. Just collate the book together. Yeah, that's something that I like. So yeah, I like doing this tangle, and like I think this is like the basic tangled shape. It's kind of like that, I guess, like these. And then I have pieces of tangled that I can't put back together. I'll just keep them. And then this is an infinity cube that broke, so I kind of just use it like this. Yeah. And then marble meshes. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10, but I don't. These are not 10 because one of the other ones is in my cousin's backpack. But here's all mine. I have another red one. I have another one of these, but yeah. 9 more meshes. And this is my bubble. I don't love it, but it's kind of annoying. Then this, when I saw it at first, like it used to be a baby toy, doesn't it? Didn't it? But I saw it at the store, and it was like the infinity fidget ball or whatever. But that's so cool. I don't know. And then I have a puzzle ball, my only puzzle ball. Yeah. My cousin can do this so fast. But yeah. Then I have 1 mochi, 2 mochi, 3 mochi, 4 mochi, 5 mochi, 6 mochi, 7 mochi, 8 mochi. It's a scrawl, I like it. 9 mochi. Oh my gosh, I have 9 of everything. I don't have 10, but yeah. So yeah, and then I have 9 mochis, and then bike chains. I have 2 blue bike chains, then 1 red one, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 acupressure rings. 2 magnet rings. I don't know where the other one went. They always get stuck like this. And then wacky tracks. I have 4 wacky tracks. Well, I have 6 wacky tracks. Yeah. Oh, and here's the piece for my broken here. And then all of my monkey noodles. I like this one. There. Okay. I do not know how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 monkey noodles. I think I have more. So I have 8 monkey noodles. Yeah, I think I have 9. Here, yeah, I have 8 monkey noodles. They're like medium size. They're not mini, but they're not big. And then I have fidget pad, yellow fidget pad. And this is kind of bad squishy. I don't really like it. And then I have this mini Rubik's Cube. Good infinity cube. That makes a weird noise. 1 snapper. 2 snapper. Another fidget spinner. And a pea popper that is super bad. It doesn't even, ouch. Yeah, take. Look how long it is, guys. Like, it's almost long. I think that's weird. But, yeah, that's all my fidgets. Oh, wait. Change wars. So, guys, bye.